3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 48 underway. Looks like INT Robotics has cleared the reef. On the blue side, we see Syosset Supersonics darting across the field, looking to score a coral, but unfortunately it was not loaded in time. That's okay. Blue will still take the lead, 9-6 coming into the teleoperated period. INT Robotics launching a piece of coral just a little too hard as it bounces off the level 4 branch. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, the Syosset Supersonics, they have a coral and they're going to drop it securely onto that level 4 branch, followed by another that they picked up from the human player station. Going back to red, INT Robotics, they're not quite lined up, but they launch anyway. Their coral falls into the trough. That's going to be 2 points for the Red Alliance. They're back with another piece of coral. They're lined up properly this time, and they securely score that coral into the level 4 branch. Meanwhile, on the blue side, the Supersonics are continuing to score the pieces of coral on top of the level 4 reef. They're going to score 6 points each time for the Blue Alliance. They're going back up again, dropping that piece of coral securely into that branch. Going back over to the Red Alliance, RoboGym has a piece of coral up in the air. They look like they're lining up, and they successfully score before heading off again to their human player station to load another piece of coral. Going back to the blue side, the Soaring Colts continuing to score piece after piece into that Blue Alliance trough. They're looking to pick up some pieces of dropped coral on the floor. They do so successfully, acquiring an additional piece of coral they can recycle, scoring it onto the trough for 2 points apiece for the Blue Alliance. 20 seconds left on the clock. It looks like Blue Alliance robots are attempting to climb on their deep cages. Syosset Supersonics partially up in the air. They're fully up in the air. If they can hold it, that's 12 points for their alliance at the end of the match. 4 seconds left on the clock. We'll see if they can hold it as the match comes to a close. We'll be back with our official results in just a bit. Alliance taking the win with a score of 85-62. The Blue Alliance will also be earning an additional ranking point for the Barge RP, meaning that the Soaring Colts